architectural masterpiece of the Four Seasons on the cliff. This house on the cliff is not only a modern architectural marvel, but also a symbol of perfect harmony with nature, where each season brings a unique appearance and living experience. With its unique circular design, large glass windows, and expansive balconies, alongside a majestic old tree emerging from the roof, this house always knows how to celebrate the beauty of the surrounding landscape. The meandering pool cascading down the cliff completes the picture of luxurious and serene mountain life. 1. Autumn. Romance and reflection. Beauty. Autumn brings a romantic and colorful beauty. The house is surrounded by a tapestry of vibrant yellow, orange, and red leaves, creating a stunning landscape. The old tree on the roof also transforms with its golden and deep red foliage, blending beautifully into the surroundings. The valley below is often shrouded in mist, creating a mysterious and poetic atmosphere. Architectural features. Large glass windows serve as artistic frames, reflecting and capturing the beauty of the changing foliage, bringing the warm tones of autumn into the interior space. Balcony offers panoramic views of the sea of golden leaves, becoming the perfect spot to enjoy a warm cup of tea while watching the leaves fall. Pool reflects the brilliant colors of autumn, creating a stunning visual effect, like a giant mirror reflecting the artwork of nature. Stairs, covered in fallen leaves, creating a poetically inviting path. Overall, the autumn architecture creates a cozy, romantic, and contemplative space where one can find peace and reflection amidst the majestic beauty of nature in transition. Throughout each season, this house on the cliff not only changes its appearance, but also transforms the emotions and experiences it offers, always maintaining its spirit of harmony with nature and providing a luxurious, unique lifestyle. Two, spring, renewal and vibrancy. Beauty. When spring arrives, the house is surrounded by vibrant wildflowers, pink, yellow, purple, and white, blooming on the cliff. The old tree on the roof sprouts fresh leaves, adorned with delicate white blossoms, occasionally releasing petals that flutter down into the pool. The lush mountains, clear blue sky, and fresh air are filled with vitality. Architectural features. Large glass windows act as dynamic frames, reflecting the sparkling light of the snow and the silvery gray sky, while providing an unobstructed view of the spectacular winter landscape. Inside, the warm lights from the house transform the space into a cozy sanctuary. Balcony. Even when covered in snow, the balcony remains an ideal spot to breathe in the fresh air and admire the pristine beauty of the mountains and forests. Pool. The clear water reflects the sky and clouds, occasionally dotted with falling petals, creating a lively and romantic watercolor scene. Stairs. Adorned with blooming flower clusters leading down to the pool like a path from a fairy tale. Overall, the spring architecture celebrates the freshness, lightness, and overflowing energy of nature, turning the house into a paradise amidst a garden of flowers. 3. Summer, vitality and freedom. Beauty. Beauty's summer bursts forth with the vibrant green of foliage and the explosion of wildflowers. The house is surrounded by lush vegetation and lively summer blooms. The old tree on the roof spreads its branches, creating shade and perfectly blending with the architecture. The sky is clear without a cloud in sight, and the golden sunlight bathes everything, providing a refreshing and liberating feeling. Architectural features. Large glass windows maximize sunlight and views of the lush landscape, transforming the living space into an extension of the surrounding nature. Balcony becomes an ideal outdoor living space where the owner can relax, sunbathe, and enjoy meals outside with a panoramic view of the mountains. Pool. Sparkling under the sun, the clear water invites a refreshing swim, providing absolute coolness and relaxation. Stairs blend into the vibrant greenery, leading down to the pool like a natural path. Overall, the summer architecture emphasizes liveliness, freedom, and a strong connection with nature, creating an energetic and joyful retreat. 4. Winter, purity and warmth. Beauty. When winter arrives, the house dons a pristine and ethereal beauty. The cliff, trees, and roof are blanketed in a sparkling layer of white snow. The old tree on the roof becomes more magnificent with branches coated in ice and snow, creating a natural sculpture within the space. The magnificent mountains are shrouded in mist and white snow, offering an absolute sense of tranquility and peace. Architectural features. Large glass windows act as dynamic frames, reflecting the sparkling light of the snow and the silvery gray sky, while providing an unobstructed view of the spectacular winter landscape. Inside, the warm lights from the house transform the space into a cozy sanctuary. Balcony. Even when covered in snow, the balcony remains an ideal spot to breathe in the fresh air and admire the pristine beauty of the mountains and forests. Pool. The meandering pool, now partially frozen or steaming if heated, adds a striking touch of turquoise amidst the sea of white snow, as water cascades gently down the cliff, creating soft sounds in the stillness. Stairs. The winding stairs, covered in snow, become a poetic pathway inviting exploration. Overall, the winter architecture transforms the house into a warm fortress, a luxurious refuge amidst the mesmerizing yet harsh beauty of nature.